Here I have DOOGEE S61 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So first let's turn it off by holding down power key. Then tap shutdown. And after device turns off completely, hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume up, at the same time like this. In the following menu, using volume up to navigate and volume down to select the first option, recovery mode. And basically, after that you will end up in recovery mode. So here at the recovery you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have such options as reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, enter fastboot, apply update from ADB, apply update from SD card, wipe data factor reset, mount system, view recovery logs, run graphics test, run local test, and power off. So when you're done using recovery mode, to exit it, you just select the first option, reboot system now, and device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.